Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can disable the activity status on your Facebook account. So it's pretty easy to do. It's very simple. So just follow the video all the way through step by step so you understand how to do it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into it. Now, first and foremost, you're going to want to go ahead and click the menu option at the bottom right hand corner. Click it, and when you do, it should look just like this. Now, head over to settings and privacy, click that, and then click settings. Now, doing this, you're going to want to make your way all the way down to the bottom of the page, and under audience visibility, there's going to be the very last option. You could probably see it. It's called active status. All you got to do is just click on that. Now, here you have the option to enable and disable to show when you're active on Facebook. So let's say you got a bunch of friends, they text you every time you hop on Facebook. You don't necessarily want to respond back to them. So I usually would just turn this off, turn off active status, and just leave it like that. Pretty much you won't get bothered anymore by people that just want to keep texting you on Facebook, and it kind of keeps you anonymous a little bit, and you don't necessarily have to deal with the influx of messages coming in every single day of people bothering you. But that's how you do it. That's how you go ahead and disable or turn off active status. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like on this video. Let me know in the comments if it helped you, and I will see you all for the next one.